Hi, my name is Nancy, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Perfect Iodine. Please disagree with me, don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Perfect Iodine is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left the Activation Products website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of Perfect Iodine was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Perfect Iodine is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Perfect Iodine? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. Perfect Iodine contains what may be the most important element for your thyroid and delivers it in a safe, liquid solution that your body can easily digest. It can be taken internally or used topically as a skin cleanser. Many people also keep iodine in their emergency kit for its various uses in home remedies and survival situations. The National Institute of Health recommends that adults intake 150 mcg of iodine day. This natural element plays a key role in hormone production and is necessary for the maintenance of a healthy thyroid. During hormone production, your thyroid uses up the iodine in your body. It is important to replace the iodine that gets used to avoid thyroid issues. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also, for Perfect Iodine to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Perfect Iodine, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Perfect Iodine from. And also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you. And I also hope that Perfect Iodine actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Perfect Iodine for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.